Hello everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing the American Express Gold Card, specifically the Rose Gold Card. I'm making this video just to see how the card comes. I thought I'd film it and share it with you guys. Let's jump right into this. I'm going to switch camera angles to get an overhead view of this card.
Alright, so here we have the package for the American Express Rose Gold Card. I'm just going to open it up really quick, and I've taped over all the envelopes inside and outside so I can hide my address and everything. But as you can see, it comes in this cool letter with American Express on the front. So I'll go ahead and open that and we will see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going ahead and taking out some of the papers right now. It comes with this cover letter and you open it up and there is your American Express Gold Card. Wow, that thing looks so cool. I'm so happy to get this card. By the way, I'll be doing a full review on this card in the next couple of weeks after I've tried it out and, bought a bunch of stuff with it, seeing how I like the card. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you want to see that. It also comes with a couple other papers, which I'm just going to throw to the side because I already know what this card offers, so I'll tell you guys about that. All right, let's take an actual look at the card. So the front is metallic, the whole card is metal, and it has a pretty good weight and a really cool design, honestly. I'm very impressed with the quality of it. It's very shiny, it's like embossed, so it looks really good. Here's the card in a little bit of a better light. This card offers 4x on dining and 4x on groceries, which is huge. And you also get a bunch of statement credits, such as Uber, Grubhub, and some other stuff as well. You get a $100 hotel credit. I hope this video brought you some value and showed you what you can expect when you receive your American Express Rose Gold Card. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Thanks so much, and peace.